Hello, good day, guys. My name is Nick, technical analyst with SuperForex. Today, we shall be looking at the technical analysis on the currency pair AUDNZD. And first, we'll be talking about fundamentals before we move right down to technicals, which is purely what we're going to be seeing on the chart. Now, we have seen that AUDUSD has continued to think that a policy convergence to eventually benefit the AUDNZD, as we expect an additional hike from the RBA in July, while pricing to the upcoming RBNZ meeting seems less likely to be realized. RMB has the NZ to hike 25 BPS in May as expected, and the policy convergence should eventually benefit the AUDNZD, Goldman Sachs says. As economists at Goldman Sachs preview the Reserve Bank of New Zealand meeting in May and see AUDNZD on a higher trajectory through the end of the year. So what to expect from this? We are seeing a timely momentum gradually building for NZD. And on the technical aspect, we are having our latest support zone at 1.07089 and an extension at 1.07410. So we are expecting at least a touchdown to 1.06242. And from this point, we are looking at nothing less than 43 pips from that entry point. Of course, we can call that good money. So if we're to make an entry to this trade, we are letting it run to the most recent support zone at 1.06197. And probably let's check for an extension on the 4 hours time frame. Most likely see momentum building up, and we are seeing a much deeper in-depth support at 1.06215. So an entry at this point, we are looking at 1.06183 also, which is at about 49.50 pips from that entry point, of course, which is good money. And that's our technical analysis on today's currency pair, AUDNZD. Now let's move over to the stock markets. Hello, welcome back, guys. And on today's stock market, we'll be having a look at Wells Fargo. And headlining, we see the Starbucks stock price target raised to $125 from $120 at Wells Fargo. This is a real-time headline, and the breaking news that's delivered the minute it happened and delivered Chapa style, as we take a look at what this might probably ensue on a technical level. So following the decline to the most recent support at 35.32, we are looking out for a push up to the 45.86 axis, which is at about 72 pips from that entry point, and an extension possibly to the 48.65 axis, which is at about 97 pips from that entry point, of course, which is good money. And that's our technical analysis on today's stock market, Wells Fargo. I remain your host, Nick. Bye for now.